We're gonna start the shave. In this case, we're gonna use foam shaving cream. In this case, we're not gonna use a hot towel because the client doesn't have a lot of hair on the face. We are just gonna use the foam shaving cream. This is the right way to assemble the straight razor. Start the shave in the cheek area and shave going down. We are shaving with the grain. Then later we're gonna shave against the grain. Now we're gonna shave against the grain. We're gonna stretch the skin and we're gonna shave going up. We are using the straight razor in a 45 angle degree on the skin to shave. By stretching the scalp, you can change the angle the hair grows, and this way you can shave closer. We're gonna shave the bottom part of the beard. We're gonna apply a bit more of the shaving cream. On the bottom part of the beard, we're gonna shave with the grain. This way we can avoid irritation on the skin and ingrown hairs. Also, we shave the beard on the ear area. Continue with the same procedure on the right side. We're gonna start applying the foam shaving cream. We are using the same blade and we're gonna continue shaving going down or with the grain. Remove the excess of the shaving cream so you can see clearly the area that you wanna shave. After the shaving cream being on the hair for a couple of minutes, it does its purpose, which is lubricate the skin and make the hair softer. That's why we can remove it and shave quickly. We are using the thumb finger to give support to the straight razor as we go down. We're gonna shave against the grain on top of the beard. We're gonna stretch the scalp and we continue shaving going up. In general, in this area you can shave going down because the client doesn't develop ingrown hairs or irritation. Moisturize the area more and continue shaving. Continue with the bottom side of the beard. Apply more shaving cream in case the area is dry. We are only opening a way that later we're gonna shave with the grain, going up. After shaving with the grain, you can shave against the grain very carefully. We shave the beard also on the ear area. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.